Hello, dear students. Welcome back to English class. Dear students, today we are going to learn a new unit. That is the first unit we are going to see care and concern. It is from your workbook. So, what you have to do? I will explain you this chapter. You have to listen carefully and question answers are related to this unit. You have to solve it. Okay, let's begin with this new lesson care and concern. So, we already learned what is exact care and concern. Yes, what is exact care and concern? Yes, so care and concern. Care means if you are taking care of somebody and you are showing concern, it is one type of a kindness. Yes, it is depending upon the kindness. So, so what is the story? There is a one story, or here the author told about the kindness, how to make or how to do the care, how to take a care, even how to concern with somebody. So, this is all about this. So, see here. So many things that make life rough around the edges are due to a lack of consideration. Yes, so lack of consideration, we are thinking that lots of things are what they are rough around us, and because of why? Because we are not too much consideration about that. So we are thinking these are too much rough in our life. So see, imagine for a minute a world where everyone is just a little kinder. Imagine, just imagine that if everyone will be a become a kinder, what will happen? See, in a bus, an older person is standing and someone lets her sit. So suppose you are some I know that if you have some little bit concern about anyone or about somebody, you also will do same. So in bus, older person is standing. If you saw him, so what you can do? You just let her the seat. At the supermarket, you also what you have to do? You allow a person in a hurry to go ahead of you. So in if you are going for supermarket, so there also you have to allow the person who is in a hurry. Yes, so you have to give the chance to take first. So a new theory called survival of the nicest. So what is called as survival of nicest or nicest? Why? Because it is a one kind of kindness. So that because of kindness, the human race has survived as a species. So one type of kindness people are surviving on this earth. Professor Sam Bowles from the Santa Fe Institute in the US analyzed ancient societies and found that the kindness was a key component of the survival of communities. So, what happened? See, so here one professor was there, or who name of that professor Sam Bowles. What he was from Santa Fe Institute from the US, and he analyzed that he analyzed that he found that the kindness is a key component of the survival of community. So groups with many unselfish and kind people tend to survive, he says. And here, a little bit kindness is there. Even some people are there who means, from them, many people are there. They are unselfish and kind people, and they tend to survive. So, see here, they cooperate and contribute to the well being of fellow group members. And what they are doing? They are cooperating and they're contributing themselves to give the help, even give them the concern. So, and they even they follow the group members. Next, see. So, here see, in other words, we have an inbuilt capacity to help others, especially those close to us, to ensure the survival of our community. Kindness is essentially a recognition of the fact that we are all human and acknowledgement that we are all in this together. See here. See, in other words, what he is explaining, he is thinking that it is a inbuilt capacity. What it is, you have that inbuilt capacity to help to other. Otherwise, if you don't have that ability, you can't help to anybody. Yes. So especially to whom we have to help, at least who are close to us. Yes. Who are those who are close to us? We have to what? We have to help him. Yes. So we have to keep the capacity, inbuilt capacity. If we have, we can easily help him. So we have to ensure of our community. Kindness is essentially a recognition of the fact that we are all human. And see, kindness is what? Kindness is a recognition of the fact. What it is? We all are human. Otherwise, acknowledgement that we are all in that together, and acknowledgement that we are all are together. It is showing that. Most of what makes life worth living depends on at least some of us being unselfish and kind some of the time. Bowles says. Bowles says what he's saying, the scientist what he's saying that most of the what they are making their life worth living and they depend upon at least some, yes, so who are unselfish and kind. So some of the time they are helping them also. We cannot address problems like global climate change, the spread of disease, and political violence by appealing only to selfish motives. See here, we cannot address the problem like which problems we cannot attain. See here, climate change, even if diseases, if spread of the disease, or if it is any dangerous thing came, even political violence, if it is arise, we cannot help or address those problems. So, in that only to selfish motives. See, research shows kindness can also make us happier. A professor from the University of California asked participants in a study to perform random acts of the kindness over 10 weeks. See, research researchers show what they show kindness is makes people happy. So it is a happier thing that's make it gives a happy. Yes, it gives a what you are saying that people can get enjoy. They can enjoy even it give the satisfaction also. So it is one of the happier thing. And the professor of the University of California he asked participants who are studying is performing the random acts of the kindness over the 10 weeks. So he did one observation. Yes, what did he did observation that he asked his participant in the study to perform these random acts till how many weeks he practiced 10 weeks. And then he found okay that she found that happiest increase over the study period, although there was a catch. People who performed a wide variety of kind acts like holding the door open for a stranger or doing the dishes at home reported much higher levels of happiness than people who performed one act of the kindness repeatedly. See here, and what he noticed, what she noticed, she found the happiest happiness is increased. Why increase? Because in the study period she saw that they are helping to each other, so definitely it increased. Although there was a catch, although what there was a catch, who means people who are performing a wide variety of the kind acts like holding the door open means keeping the door open from the stranger who are coming and for who are in really in trouble for them. So these and making dishes, okay, so at home and giving them. So this is a different type of activity actually, but kindness is a different act. So that he professor she observed that it is one of the best thing to make people happy. Kindness is a good for you in other ways too. There is evidence that being kind is a good for your health. Studies have shown that helpful people were less likely to fall ill from the chronic disease and tended to have better immune system. A strong correlation exists between the well-being, happiness, and health of the people who are kind. And finally, what happened? See, actually, the professor draw the conclusion that kindness is good for everyone and it is good for others. There is evidence that being the kind is good for your health because she already researched on it. So, it's in studies it shows that if you are helpful, see people were less likely to fall ill from the chronic disease. See, if you are helpful means if you are happy by helping other, so you will be not fall ill from the different disease. You can avoid the disease also, and even you can better your immunity systems also. A strong correlation exists between the well-being, happiness, and health of the people who are kind. And even you can establish the correlation, strong correlation, okay, between who is well behaving, who is happy, and who is healthy people, and who are the kind. See here. So here is the last para. It does not matter what motivates people to be kind. It simply matters that they have chosen to be kind in the first place. If the helper and the one being helped both feel good, it's a win-win situation. There is no wrong way to perform an act of kindness. Kindness then is just a matter of choice, an attitude you carry that can make a difference, however small, in someone else's life. See here what he that author is saying, that it does not matter that what is your motive, why, okay, who motivate you, what motivate people to make or be a kind. So it simply matter that they have to be chosen to be a kind, means what, some people are kind, so who are motivating them? So no, nobody is motivating them. It is simply a matter that they chosen, what they chosen themselves as to be a kind. And if the helper and the one being helped both feel good, see, and who is helping, and who is a helper and who is helping to other person that help, so who get help from the helper, they both feel good, and it will feel like a win-win situation, means nobody is lost, so nobody is lose actually. So there is no wrong way to perform an act of kindness. So he is suggesting you also, there is no wrong thing in that you have to be perform or you have to act as kindness. Yes, kindness is very important. So here kindness is just a matter of choice. It is a matter of choice. Yes, it is a matter really, because it is depend upon you which means which things you can choose. It is depend upon you, because attitude you can carry, it make difference, but however small you are in someone else in life, so attitude can carry. Yes, your attitude you should carry, and it make a difference. And when you are small and you cannot imagine that in someone's life how much you are, means uh, important for them. Yes, so you cannot means judge about that. So if you are a kind person, definitely you can build a good relationship with other. Yes, it is a, and it will give you happiness. So this is all about care and concern. So here are the question answers. Yes, what you have to do, here I will send you through WhatsApp. So choose the correct options. You have to choose it and you have to write. So if don't have this book, I will send you through WhatsApp. Just complete it in your notebook. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.